Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be me organizing all my craftings, Bible journaling supplies, my balloons, everything. Organizing all the messy parts of my life. So yeah, so I figured I'd start it off with an Amazon haul because I ordered a lot of things. Not all of these things are either crafty things or for organization. But I figured I'd share them with you, so we'll just go through it quickly. And yeah, I found like these little glue things that I had bought from Hobby Lobby because while I was doing stuff for the baby shower a couple weeks ago, I realized that I needed something thinner for my glue, but I needed a funnel for this. And that's what started my Amazon. We're gonna just start. It is warm in here, but I had to turn off my AC so you guys wouldn't hear it. I connected my mic for you guys, so hopefully the audio is better. I'm having my niece over next week for a sleepover, and so I ordered a bunch of freeze-dried candy, ice cream type things. So freeze-dried candy, like clustered gummy clusters. So we'll see if those are good. This is not mine. Okay, there are a couple of things that did not get here. I ordered some green balloons, a backdrop for the birthday party I'm doing next month, and a Bible that will get here tomorrow. Actually, I bought my niece some erasable pens and also these freeze-dried vanilla ice creams. I did buy some tape. This is double-sided tape, different sizes, like widths. So we have a bigger one and then some thinner ones. I also got some tacky glue. It's my favorite glue. My other one is super old, so I probably have to get rid of that. And then some clear tacky glue. Oh, my little funnels. I really hope they fit in this. I think they will. But I think this will make it so much easier to pour the glue in here because it was not working. I got some foot peel masks. Orange little balloons. Well, they're all different sizes, but it's for the party. And then I got myself a monthly planner because weekly planning, all that stuff, that does not work for me. I need something to strictly just the months. And I did organize my balloon stuff. Well, most of it. So I will show that to you guys after this. More freeze-dried candies. These are freeze-dried Skittles. And then more foot masks. Oh, this is mine. I ordered a paper organizer. So like a tiered shelf thing. So I probably have to build it. But I figured it can go like right here where that pile of mess is and just like get my papers out of the drawers because they're heavy. Put them on this thing and I can organize them by color so that way when I know what I need. So yeah, I'm gonna have to build that. It's supposed to look like this. I'm going to show you guys my balloon organization, nothing too crazy, and probably start putting some of these things away. But I'm gonna take you guys along for the next few days as I organize and get my space in a much better state so I can do much more things and I can film without trying to figure out what my background looks like. So that is the plan. quick update. I feel like I've gotten a lot of things done. My room definitely looks more like a disaster, but that looks so good. Like the little paper thing. And it freed up so much space. So I just gotta figure out where I'm putting everything and reorganizing things, throwing things out. But I really do like these little things. I hope the tips, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. I hope the tips are big enough to let the glue get through, because I know like tacky glue and all that stuff is super thick. So I was organizing all my, what are these, my dies. So just organizing those things, because in the cart that I have like out in the hall, that's gonna be like my party things, like balloons, stuff from my Cricut, and probably I have a ton of planner things, so I have to go through that and see what I'm actually going to use and things like that. So going through those things, and then just going through all these drawers that I have here. If you guys want like a full tour, like I'll give you guys an overview at the end of this video, but if you want like a looking inside every single one of my drawers and seeing everything that I have, more in-depth video, let me know. I have no problem sharing with you guys all the things that I have. So I'm going to continue working, and I'll probably chat with you guys tomorrow. So, alright everyone, hello. It is another day, and this lighting is killing me. Sure. I wanted to share some things. Been organized, doing a great job. I even organized like my shelf there. So nice. As I say, brought some things from downstairs. My poor parents. I have taken over the entire house with my things from the parties, and I have everything everywhere. So I've been trying to like organize in here, clean in here, so that way as I bring things up, I'm not bringing it into a mess. I'm bringing it into a place where they all have homes and I can go and put them in their homes. My cousin actually just started going through her stuff because she's moving, and she went through her craft stuff because she's a crafty hoarder just like me. And I told her if she has any inks, give them my way. I really don't have ink. I have, where is it? I have these two, which are in mine. I borrowed them from her when I was doing my giant sunflowers. Did I ever show you guys what those look like? I can post a little picture here and show you guys what those ended up looking like. I have like just some of these, but they're not the oxide inks, which is what I want. So I just figured I'd share with you guys all the inks that she sent my way. And these little flag things. She probably didn't mean to send those to me, but they're mine now. Okay, so we have some archival inks. There's a purple, a pink, more flaggy things. Girl, she's gonna be missing those. Oh, more. An orange, a turquoise blue. Why did I say that weird? And like a navy blue. Ooh, I'm super excited. They're all by Ranger. We also have this ginormous one, which I do have this. Not in my drawers, but I do have this exact one because we bought them at the same time. Yeah, and I have a big one for embossing too. What's this? Long lasting London Fog. This is not even opened. And then a rhubarb stalk. This is by Memento, fade resistant ink. And then she has some more distress oxide. We have this like red candied apple, a gray, purple, a pink, and a green, which I'm super excited because a lot of these are colors that I've wanted, but you know, this can sound terrible, but I love crafty things. I love them, love them, love them, but I don't like paying for them, and that is a problem I have, is not wanting to pay for the things that I want. I'm just gonna stuff them in my drawer for now. So I have to organize all this. And I do want to on my shelves, because right now I have my Sudoku, like my wood Sudoku, and my triangle, Rubik's triangle. It's not cute, it's a triangle on that shelf. And I want to put like my wax stamp thingies up there and do something with the other shelf and get things up there and make it useful but pretty. So that is the plan. This was a much longer like chat / update than I was expecting it to be. So let's get to organizing, because I'm kind of want this to be done. I want this to be done. another day, but I have not finished organizing this room. I still have tons of things downstairs that I need to bring up. So I figured I'd end this video here, and I will do like a part 2 maybe next week for you guys to see. And there I'll have like a little tour, mini tour overview of all my things. And yeah, so I don't think I have anything else to say. So yeah, I'm trying to think. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my next video.